Hey guys, welcome to a handover tutorial video on the MobiCool Dometic window. These guys are a double glazed window. Today's video we're going to be showing you the functionality, the pros, the cons of the window, things you need to make sure you're doing for your traveling and making sure that all troubleshooting and warranty is submitted in the correct format for these windows. Starting off, we have a 1000 by 800 Dometic bedroom window. This guy here has a fly screen, full block out, and pop to release. Now, ideally, in this setting, you're going to want to make sure that less stress on the blinds of the windows means longevity of the product. While it's under warranty for the 12-month period of time, it's fine to be able to, be a little bit more forceful because, of course, you've got your warranty. But the idea is to preserve the product to make sure you have this product working and utilizing the product for longevity, making sure outside of that 12-month period of time you're well and truly covered and you've looked after it the best way you can, because at the end of the day, it's your investment. So we have our fly screen, 2 hands. So we used to say 2 handles, 2 hands. Now it's all magnetic, so everything just latches on. We have 2 hands, so you apply even tension. 1, that is secure, done. Now, because it's pieced together, you can then grab it like so, 2 fingers, like so, or however you can grab it with 5, I don't really mind. All the way down, and that is a full block out. This is naked mode, this is half, not so good naked mode. Definitely, unless you're at a nudist colony, shouldn't be naked mode. So, we have the separation of them. How do we do that? So we'll start from the bottom. What I like to do is I like to put 1 finger underneath here and then my thumb up, right? And then pop like that. And then you'll notice I actually allow it to track back nice and easy. I don't do the pop and flick because of course it's going to break the blind over a period of time using it in that sort of rough setting. These window frames are clicked on. So they have these fantastic fittings. You can actually pop. So very easy to replace under a warranty period. So see this here at the back end, these little springs, like little toggles. And on the back end, I'll just pop this one off so you can actually see. You'll see it's got the toggles. So these toggles grab and latch, and that's all across the window. These guys are finger tight, so nice and compressed foam sealant across there. And then of course you've got the fully insulated body there of the Crusader running through. So it's no water, nothing like that. It's just gonna make sure it's a nice and easy installation and fitment, and also longevity of the product. So to put it back on, what I like to do is I like to put my 2 fingers here, right? 1 each side, so I know exactly where it's gonna go. So this here is gonna line up with this lug right here. If this lug's aligned, right, with this, it's gonna be a good time. So what we do is we pop the window, and I'm still feeling on this side of it, right? So I can still feel the edge. So I'm gonna pop it, and I'm gonna secure it like that. Same on this side, right? So then we do the old click, pop, and see how I feel up. There's still a gap here at the top, so I know that I need to pop it, pop it, pop it. And this is secure, working, ready to go. Notice how I didn't come it down. That's a bad thing. Remember, just nice and easy. So we want to utilize the actual window blade itself because we want a bit of fresh air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're open. Of course, not every window has 5 locks, so obviously 2, 3, 1, whatever it's going to have. So the trick to this is, let it go on the click, not after the click, not before the click, not just after the click, on the click. So with ears, ooh, see, bang, 2, woo, and 3. Nice and easy. So we click it out, it's got 3 settings. To retract it, you push past the click and it comes back in. So what a lot of people do is they go, not gonna grab. It needs to be on the click in order to be able to engage one of those push locks. And then of course, if you wanna do that extra measure, in case kids walk past and do the old flick and grab, you can lock this in, and then of course that's going to secure it into that position. Let's say you wanna be able to put it into a different position. So you want it sort of night mode. Whoop. You want to maybe just go there. You want a little bit of air, but not so obvious that your window is like blaringly open. You can just lock it into any position. You still got a bit of air gap in here as well. Now, the main troubleshooting with these windows that you'll encounter through that sort of warranty period and thereafter is these struts can jam if they have insufficient lubricant or it's a faulty arm or something like that. Dometic make a fantastic product, but once in a while, one of the arms plays up. So, how to fix it? Some people engage with a ballpoint pen into the, there's like a little point on the side here just to engage a pen to be able to push that locking bearing sort of out so the window can retract. It's not always successful. It's also probably not advised just because obviously your playing with a product that's essentially still covered under that warranty period. Screw right here, if you remove this screw, the whole arm will come, or the arm brace will come off, and then you can utilize just one of the struts until your dealer representative gets you another strut through Dometic under warranty, or alternatively until you can pick up another one on the road as you're traveling through. The window blades, often, you know, this might pop out of its track, it might pop out of the track here, it might drop, the tension goes on these. You can read tension and stuff, but honestly, for the time, money, and exercise, the best thing you can do is contact your dealer and make them aware of that, so they can contact Dometic, give you some mindfulness as to how to get it fixed. The best thing about these windows, as I've mentioned, is the whole frame pops off. So lo and behold, they're probably just going to send you a brand new frame. However, your dealer needs to know what is the window that you've got. So there's a little code just up here in the top left box, very hard to see on camera, but top left, there's a little code. It says Mobicool 1098661. It's got the model code, but ultimately your dealer, knowing the product they know and the products that they sell, if you show them a close-up photo of the issue and then you take a further photo back, a wide photo back, standing on the side of the bed, you can let them know exactly what position that window is. So that'll help them identify the size. It's not worth measuring because there's various measurements, internal, external, all that. Best thing to do is say it's a bedroom window. It's here's a photo of it externally, here's a photo of it internally, here is the issue that we've encountered, here's where we're going to be on this date so they can organise something for you. Dometic are fantastic. They've got a national warranty. These guys are very, very good. Contact your dealer representative if you have any questions, concerns, or otherwise. You can pop that frame off to wipe behind and give it a good clean. And of course, if you want to be able to upgrade, of course, the multi-platform windows. So some of the older Dometic windows can also be upgraded to these windows today if you want some of the black mid-view screens as well. Often a question we get asked. We hope you've enjoyed your video. Check out a few more as we go through the 2023 handover videos. Thank you, guys.